Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Episode 164 today, I think. Yeah, we're gonna jump straight into our Pokemon sound of the day. So, take a look. Pokemon 164. Wait, no, it was 160. That was yesterday. 165. We're one ahead. Ladybug. Take a look at the Pokemon sound. Oh, I gotta turn on my headset then. Whoops. There's our ladybug sound. But yeah. So the problem we looked at today was this one here. We just looked at one problem, a 2661 first completely painted row column. It was a 1500 rated problem. So not too bad. We did get the intuition there. Kind of thinking about how we are going to solve this. Pretty much you had to paint each row or column, and when a row or a column is painted, we would then return the index of where we're searching an array we would return, right? So we got the intuition kind of straight away. I think it took me about maybe, I'd say half an hour to 40 minutes to solve the problem, somewhere between there. I was going back and forth on kind of techniques to use and the way I was going about the problem, the way I was thinking about the problem. Again, I'm a very slow thinker, so when it comes to stuff like that, I think very deeply and very analytically about the problem. But, I'm not really super fast with it. My brain's pretty slow, so... But anyway, it's fine. We ended up solving the problem, and then we kind of transitioned to C++. I would say it took probably maybe the same amount of time just to transfer the code to C++. We were having a lot of issues here when I was writing it. I believe here we had an infinite loop right here, and that's why we were crashing here. We had some issue here with, I can't remember what it was called, but it was some C++ feature that I was trying to use. I'd never really heard of it before, but it was crashing my program, so ended up just manually creating the tuple here. Also didn't know that you had to manually somehow have like a check here, like they call it a safety check sort of thing, in order for me to search it, just in case if I was searching something that was invalid. So invalid, when I mean invalid in the hash map. So we ended up solving it though. It took a little while. It was really good. But yeah, that was really bad. We only did one problem today, so it took about an hour and a half doing both. So just kind of called it there. But it was fun. So again, I appreciate everyone watching today. Thank you for all the nice comments. It was a pretty fun stream today. I had a lot of people come by and say hello. So again, thank you for the support. And I will see you tomorrow for 165. Peace. See you later.